We're right behind the driver's side tire, and up on the side of the block around the starter area is where the stock lift pump was originally placed by the manufacturer. We will remove that pump, tee into the factory wiring. We will actually install a fuel pump back here by the actual fuel tank. Keep the fuel in front of the pump. And what that will help out is any aeration in the fuel system, because the injection pump cannot live with aeration or anything like that. It's a ticking time bomb. We'll have to install the fuel filter between the fuel tank and where the pump will be placed, right underneath this section of the bed. The pump's location when installed is actually in a very good protected area. You notice, you know, the front tire is many feet in front of it. The rear tire is actually behind the pump, so kicking up rocks and debris and things of that nature isn't really a problem. We'll retain the wiring along the frame rail, on the inside of the frame rail, and the fuel lines also on the inside of the frame rail, so it'll be protected. Other than that, it's a pretty cut and dry kit for install, and it really adds to the performance on high fuel demand or pulling a trailer when you have those higher long standing pulls with your fuel demands being so high. We try to do this so we save the injection pump from any kind of premature failure.